Lotus plant profile. Lotus, Nelumbo species, is an aquatic plant that is native to Asia, Australia, and the Americas. It is hardy to USDA zones 5 to 10. The lotus plant is known for its large, tropical-looking leaves and beautiful layered flowers. Its various parts are edible, and it is a sacred symbol of purity and rebirth in Eastern cultures. It needs to be placed in full sun to bloom, and appreciates an occasional fertilizer tab placed in the soil by its roots. When planting a bare root lotus rhizome, fill a pot with clay soil, place the rhizome in, and make sure the growing tips are slightly above the soil line. Submerge the pot about 12 to 18 inches below the surface of the water. Lotus plants are generally large and can quickly spread to take over a small water garden, so it's best to give them their own separate space to grow in. They can be planted in old bathtubs, stock tanks, or animal troughs. You can also purchase miniature lotus varieties that grow in small tabletop bowls or other decorative watertight containers. The lotus flowers open in the morning and close by mid-afternoon. Each flower typically blooms for 2 to 3 days. After the petals drop, a beautiful green seed pod is revealed, which then dries on the stalk and can be collected to propagate additional plants or for craft use. In our mid-Atlantic region, lotus can be safely wintered outdoors, but the rhizome should never be left out to freeze entirely, or it will die. So for colder regions, you will need to give it extra protection or bring it indoors. Lotus, you can grow that.